Hey everyone, how's it going? Today, I would like to show you guys how to draw the Pokemon Morpeko from the new Pokemon Sword and Shield. So, to start off with Morpeko, we're going to begin with the eyes. So right about here on our paper, we need to draw two circles. So I'm going to draw one circle right here. And then I want to leave some space, and I want to put the next circle right over here. Now you want to try to keep the circles about the same size. Then I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside each one. And then I'm just going to color in the outside. Usually you're going to color in that small circle, but on this one we're going to color in the outside, kind of like the opposite. So you just want to fill in the outside. It's going to kind of look like a little donut. Just like that. Now, right between the eyes, he has a very tiny nose. So all I'm going to do is just make a little colored in oval for the nose. Just looks like a little tiny dot. Now, for his mouth, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go across, and then it's going to go down, and then it's going to curve back up like this. Kind of like a triangle shape, but it's all rounded. Then I'm going to put a little smiley face in there for the tooth. Now, right underneath the eyes, and they're actually going to touch the eyes, I'm going to draw a good sized circle, almost the same size as the eye. One here, and then I'm going to draw another one right over here for little cheeks, kind of like something you'd see on Pikachu. Now, starting just below these little cheeks, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and then it's going to curve right to about here. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to draw that same shape on the other side, just right here. Now, right in the middle, I'm going to draw a little curved line for the top of the head. And then in these empty spaces, we're going to put the ears. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves, and then it's going to come back. And then I'm going to add another little curved line that comes back like this. So same thing over here. This one's going to go up a little bit, so it's going to curve up and then down. And then I'm going to draw another little one that curves out and then comes back like this. Now for his arms. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's going to start inside of him, and it's going to curve out. It's going to come down to here, and then it's going to go up like this. Now over here on this side, I'm going to draw a line. It's going to curve out, and then I'm just going to come down a little bit. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to curve back towards the body. And then he's holding this little piece of food, so right here I'm just going to draw a little circle like this. Now, over here underneath the arm, we want to finish off the body. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve in. And then I want to do the same thing here, just go down, and then just kind of curve it in. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's just going to curve back around to here. And then I want to do the same thing here, just kind of make like a curved oval shape. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line right in between them. Now, on the ears, I'm just going to draw two little lines just for some details. Now, the final part of our Morpeko is his little stripe patterns that he has on him. So, starting right here by the eyes, I'm going to draw two lines that just kind of go up at an angle. Then I'm going to go in and then come back out. Same thing on this side. And then I'm just going to go all the way to the top of the head, right here at an angle. Now, right here by the cheeks, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over, and then down again. And then you want to do the exact same thing on this side. Just go down, go out, and then come back in. And then when it gets to here, it's just going to curve around, and it's going to go right to the hand. It's going to touch that hand. And this one's just going to curve right down here below the arm. And there you go. There is your drawing of Morpeko, from the new Pokemon Sword and Shield game. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.